Hello guys, today I've got a Motorola Vervebuds 250 and I'm going to show you how to fix that your sound shudders or is intermittent. So how to fix the issue? This issue is actually not so complex, so don't worry. The first thing to fix this issue is to try to restart your phone and perform a soft reset on your earbuds. How to do that? Put both earbuds into the case, close it for 30 seconds and then take them out. This should fix your issue. If it didn't fix your issue, unpair your earbuds from your phone. Then do something like this on your earbuds. Take them out, both of them. Turn them off with a long press on the multifunctional button, which is of course the touch area, until you hear of course power off. Then you need to hold the multifunctional button for 5 times, and if you see that the LED lights are blinking blue and red, on both earbuds, you should tap it 4 times. This is factory reset. You will reset all the settings that are stored, and you'll probably fix your earbuds. If it didn't fix your earbuds, you need to plug both. You need to plug the charging cable into your headphones and charge them until you see that both earbuds are 100% and your case is 100%. This should fix your issue. If it didn't, you need to contact the device support to have your issue fixed. Goodbye.